All right, and this is the path we're taking.
Hey guys, we're at the 129 kilometer marker on the 100 road of the Black Creek Forest Service Road, just outside of Horsefly, BC. And today we're checking out what are we checking out, Jessica?
Five Falls Quest.
Five Falls Quest. So we're at the Lower Horsefly Falls Trail, and we're gonna go and check it out. Talk to you on the trail.
This is the first of five falls, the Lower Horsefly Falls. The trail was a little bit steep, but not bad, a bit slippery because it's been raining here, but it's just absolutely amazing. Alright friends, we've finished Lower Horsefly Falls and now we are at the Middle Horsefly Falls. Second one of 5. So far the trip has been good. Joni, what did you think of the falls?
It was amazing.
And there you have it, folks. So the Middle Horsefly Falls is about half a kilometer before the 146 mile. You'll see a pink ribbon and a sign. West side of the tree.
Gang, we just finished with the Middle Horsefly Falls, and now we are on to the Upper Horsefly Falls. Jessica, what did you think of the Middle Horsefly Falls?
It was really nice. The part we went to, you had a little peekaboo through the tree, but you'd have to climb down a little further. But Chuck can tell you more about that.
Yeah, I went down to the right there, basically down to the water, and that was a great spot to do some drone flying. So on to the next one, guys.
Which is a clue.
Please don't eat me.
Yeah. And then there's another fall right there, but you could cross over all the way. Oh, that's it. Beautiful, man.
That concludes the Upper 3 Horsefly Falls. We are heading about 1 hour back to Horsefly for some lunch, and then back on another service road for the last 2 of our 5 Falls quest. Friends, we are on to falls number 4, the Lower Moffat Falls. So 4 out of 5. How is it, Chucky?
Well, we just got here, but I would say that for the other falls that we've went to so far, it was a pretty good gravel Forest Service road. The little bit of a road to get into here was a little muddy, so definitely maybe want a truck or a bigger SUV to get in here.
And that's all for now, folks.
Your wife's going for another plunge there, Bob.
Welcome to beautiful Lower Moffat Falls. I just want to say that we've never been out to Horsefly before. It's very pretty, actually. Has a very cute little town and a cafe where we stopped and had lunch. And we stayed the night in Williams Lake and then started out this way for the 5 Fall Quest. And with the fall colors, it's been absolutely gorgeous. Highly recommend this little adventure. No cell service out here, and the paths are a little bit rough, not really maintained, but it's a nice little adventure and a day away from the normal rat race. So thanks for following us along. Have what you want. Oh, I could have a free coffee. Well, friends, we've made it to fall number 5, the Upper Moffat Falls. And it looks to be a little bit more maintained up here, actually. Is a nice parking lot. And on the way in, we saw an old Chinese oven, so maybe we'll flash a picture of that here. Or maybe not, we'll see. Anyway, we'll catch you at the falls. And we're coming up on a nice bridge. This trail, being the last falls, has been super. That's a nice welcome treat. Oh, wow.
Alrighty guys, we just got to the Upper Moffat Falls and it is gorgeous up here. But you know what? Enough talk. Do the drone sequence.
Drone!
Alrighty guys, that concludes our 5 waterfall quest just outside of Horsefly, BC. Definitely recommend you check out the tourism webpage where you can download this little PDF brochure. It's got information about and a map of where all the waterfalls are, as well as descriptions of them. Shout out to Jessica's friend,
Leslie,
who suggested we do this, and we had a really great time doing it. Recommend you guys check it out.
Thanks, Leslie.
All right, catch you in the next one.
Ciao.